Brick has been utilized as a part of construction for a long time, and in light of current circumstances, homes with the brick outside offer a universe of advantages. Brick is solid, durable, simple to stay aware of, and brick walls additionally builds the estimation of your property. Brick has a tendency to be more costly to introduce than other outside alternatives and requires a solid drainage framework to maintain a strategic distance from issues identifying with water harm. The additional work related with making a brick outside is outperformed by prevailing characteristics. In the event that your house isn't made of bricks, you can include brick siding for included advantages, including expanded protection and style. Artist Masonry is a trusted name in brick construction, and here are some amazing advantages of brick construction. With regard to the outside of your home, you need a material demonstrated to face the components. Brick is solid, ready to endure numerous shots and blows without faltering in the crush. Brick is normally shaded all through because it's one-of-a-kind cosmetics. This implies it won't blur or change shading after some time. Bricks don't rot or imprint, and termites have no enthusiasms for eating heated mud. For quite a long time, brick remains the main material with respect to staying ever-enduring. Brick costs more to introduce than numerous different materials. However, it pays off by keeping up its esteem. Since brick is low upkeep and durable, individuals will pay more for a home with quality brickwork. Truth be told, a few appraisals stick the genuine increment in property estimation from brick at around 6%. Brick isn't just dependable, however, it is likewise appealing and draws consideration superior to anything different materials, improving the probability individuals stop by your open house. Bricks are more heat-proof than most other building materials. It takes brick far longer to burst into flames since brick is produced using non-flammable materials. With a specific end goal to prepare into development, bricks are cooked at 2000 degrees Fahrenheit, which means they can deal with a great deal of warmth. A 1983 CSIRO overview discovered brickwork walls have a fundamentally lessened shot of being ragged by discharge. The thicker the bricks, the more fireproof a building is. Brick is altogether different than other protected siding utilized for structures. At the point when the brick is set around the outside of a building or home, it gives an additional layer of resistance against the temperature outside. The real section of warmth, through brick walls, is postponed, contrasted with different materials. Thanks for watching, until next time.